Today, March the 12th, 2019, is a historic day for the great state of Alabama. What the members of the Alabama legislature have done today is to improve Alabama's infrastructure for generations to come. Today and over the last several days, I have been so proud to watch the legislature at its finest hour of operation. Legislators from different parties, from different parts of the state, have come together not to make an easy decision, but to make a bold statement that they are all in when it comes to investing in Alabama's future. Alabama will show the rest of the nation what it truly means to be successful through bipartisan votes. And I applaud the great team behind me who led the legislature through this session and through the passage of these bills. And thank you to the new members of the House and the Senate for your willingness to address a tough subject. You have shown your initiative, your leadership, and your statesman. New members, job well done. And we want to thank our stakeholders for all of their special efforts to support this effort, from the municipalities to the counties to the business community. This indeed has been a bipartisan effort and a team effort as well. And truly, I am so proud to lead this state with other leaders who are devoted to doing what is right for Alabama. And today we have made a bold step forward, a major step indeed, because we have chosen to work together in a bipartisan way. It surely makes a difference when we work together. And I want to reaffirm to each of you and to all of you that we will continue to be good stewards of these resources, and every penny that is raised through this new resource will be scrutinized, will be accounted for infrastructure only, period. And I pledge to all Alabamians that we will use this new revenue to build a brighter future for our state in the years to come.